Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about rotating in not the center of the page, and then I ended up using the center of the page. And when that video was loading, I thought if you needed to rotate around this object that's not in the center of the page, if you will grab a line and, normally in the other video I put it in the center of the page, but if you'll select these and go hit the letter E and then C, it put that line in the center of the page. Now I can do the same thing with this. I want to make that box a little bit smaller. I'm going to grab everything and I'm going to go EC. And then I can move that box up. I can actually select all that, Control G to group it together, Control D to rotate it. This time I'm going to use the rotation knocker under Transformer Transformation, and I'm going to rotate it 20 degrees, and I need I need 17 because I've already got one. Now you've got that, and do the same thing, ungroup them, go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then grab your pick tool and hold down the Alt key and select everything and then hit Delete. That way you've deleted, I've actually got more than one copy that I need. So that way you can rotate stuff around an object without being in the center of the page. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.